Welcome back to Color Spectrum Guide. Today, we're exploring home color design tips that will help you transform any space with ease. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more color insights and design tips. Understanding color theory is key to designing with color. The color wheel is a great tool for seeing how colors work together. Complementary colors, which are opposite each other on the wheel, create high contrast and can make a space pop. Choosing colors based on room function. Different rooms serve different purposes. For instance, calming colors like soft blues or gentle greens are perfect for bedrooms to help you unwind. Here's a visual of a bedroom designed with these soothing colors. Creating color schemes. Color schemes help pull your space together. A monochromatic scheme uses variations of a single color, while an analogous scheme blends colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. Let's look at some examples of each. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's explore 5 common mistakes that people make in home color design and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Clashing colors. The first mistake is choosing clashing colors. When colors don't complement each other, they can create a jarring and uncomfortable atmosphere. For example, pairing a bright red wall with a neon green one can make a room feel chaotic rather than cohesive. Mistake 2. Overuse of bold colors. Another common issue is the overuse of bold colors. While bold colors can add personality to a space, using too many can overwhelm the senses. Imagine a room where the walls, furniture, and decor are all in vibrant hues like bright yellow, red, and orange. It can quickly become too much to handle. Mistake 3. Ignoring natural light. The third mistake is ignoring natural light. Dark, heavy colors like deep brown or navy blue can make a room feel smaller and more confined, especially in spaces that lack natural light. Always consider how light interacts with your color choices to keep the room feeling open and inviting. Mistake 4. Too many patterns. Next, using too many patterns in one space can lead to visual confusion. Combining striped wallpaper, polka dot cushions, and a floral rug might sound fun, but it can make a room feel cluttered and disorganized. Mistake 4. Too many patterns. Next, using too many patterns in one space can lead to visual confusion. Combining striped wallpaper, polka dot cushions, and a floral rug might sound fun, but it can make a room feel cluttered and disorganized. Avoid these common mistakes to create a well-balanced and visually appealing space. Remember, thoughtful color choices can transform your home into a beautiful and harmonious environment. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you make the most of your space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more color design tips. Share your color design challenges or successes in the comments below.